Hello everyone, my name is Manokaran. My metric number is CN190201 and I'm from JTKE department and faculty of engineering technology. My supervisor name is Inche Muhammad Akimi bin Zahari. Well, I would like to present about my project title Solar Powered IoT based Smart Electronic Notice Board. Okay, well, first I would like to say about my abstract of my project. Smart Electronic Notice Board display the information on display of LCD. This notice board can be utilized in variety of settings such as educational institute, train station, or somewhere to post notice of or some information to those that require it as technology advances. As the number of the people using it grows. This project deals with advanced notice board. In my project system or my proposed system, the notice board using Node MCU ESP32 having a Wi-Fi module with integrated and also with a smartphone via an application which internet with the notice board and can also be working by using the solar powered energy. Its way of working in based on the microcontroller Node MCU and solar energy. When the user sends information or notice through smartphone, simultaneously the message will get on the display of the LCD and the notice board will be running in green energy which operating by the battery on nightfall and will be charged and operate on a daytime by solar energy. Okay, first introduction of my project. A digital notice board is a digital display of information. In present world, this much more commonly used to communicate information, messages, notification and other things with the people. We developed the following prototype model in order to implement this desired electronic notice board on the ThinkSpeak platform. This is made up of Node MCU with an integrated Wi-Fi module. The proposed model is tested using by an LCD panel and a mobile phone. The ESP32 module can be programmed with LOA script using the Node MCU firmware. The user will send the messages or information using an application on the smartphone, which are the authenticated application or desired application that only interact with the electronic notice board. The notice board that read from the app by the Node MCU and display the notice on the notice board by the LCD display. The prototype is green energy because it using solar power. Okay, then the literature review. I was refer my smart electronic notice board by using 5 of the previous project which I referred to make this prototype. First is smart electronic notice board, which the author is Shruti K and Ashna Shala in 2013. Then wireless electronic display board using GSM technology, that was also from 2013. Then display message on notice board using GSM. That also 2013. Design and implementation of digital notice board using power line communication. That also from 2013. Then easy SMS, a protocol for end-to-end secure transmission of SMS. That was from 2014. Okay, now we would like to see about my project's block diagram. This is the block diagram. The smart electronic notice board is a smart notice board that display the message sent by the user using a designated app, and also it is a user-friendly system that can be received and visualized notice in the LCD display, which can be used as a notice board. The application was constructed using MIT App Inventor, and the C programming language was utilized to provide the functionality. For the receiving section contains Node MCU ESP32, LCD display and Wi-Fi connection. That was my projects or my prototypes functionality block diagram. Okay, now we are going to see about my prototypes result. Okay, first we have to initialize the system, which is we have to turn on the prototype and click the app on the smartphone to interact with the notice board. Then enter the login username name and password in the application on the smartphone. Then type the desired notice or information which you want to present on the notice board. After you typing it, press the send button. The notice board will be displayed the message on the LCD display. After you send the message, you can log out from the system, because if you not log out, others can be utilize the app and can be the not that secure to use or the propaganda any other bad information like that. And also some safety features in my application, which was the authenticated user only can log into the app. If the user is not authenticated, then they cannot send any messages, because the app won't allow them to send message. And also from the prototype, if the prototype isn't connected to the Wi-Fi, the prototype will be not working. Either it is connected with Wi-Fi and never send any messages, the previous message will be scrolling on the notice board loop, in a loop form endlessly. Okay, we are come to the end. Okay, now you can see the prototype working video. Okay, this is the one. Okay, now we come to the end of my presentation, the conclusion of my project. Okay, solar powered Internet of Things based smart electronic notice board is the approach to be designed because it can give a big impact to the traditional notice boards and a huge contribution to the university authorities or any other places which they may need to send information or any emergency information on the spot. The project has been achieved main objective and scopes of the project, which are to develop a wireless notice board that display message sent from the smartphones, to create a portable notice board which is powered by solar energy, and to develop an application which allows users to interact with the smart electronic notice board. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for lending your ears and eyes to my presentation, and I would like to see you again in my Q&A section. Thank you so much.